So to measure the height of cut, we need to use a special tool called a height of cut bar. These can be purchased, pre-made, ready to go, super accurate with tons of features. However, they cost a bit of money. You just laid down some cash for that nice new reel mower, and so you want to save it for other things like new bed knives or new reels or that gear reduction kit or a grass catcher or transport wheels or another renovation. This is credited solely to some geniuses on the lawn forum, and there's a link to the thread where they did it below. It's a very simple process, so we're going to show you how I made this one. Okay, what I have here is a number 10 24 stainless steel bolt. I added a washer to it to give it a little bit of an edge that you can see there. Okay, to attach the washer, I took a little bit of JB Weld, coated it right there on the underside of the head, then slid the washer down. I then used a little plastic washer and a wing nut to apply pressure while it cured. Once the JB Weld was cured, I took the wing nut and the plastic washer off. Okay, here you can see where I took a matching nut and I used the same JB Weld and put it on there all nice and neat and stuff. Through with a small screw that matched and thread it through there and kind of tightened it down. I had a wing nut on it before and that held everything in place. Once it was cured, I took a file to it. You can see these nice little file marks to kind of smooth things out. Have a little bit more work I'd like to do on it just to make things look real good. Okay, so here's the pretty much finished product. As you can see, I have a poorly done paint job. Part of that was due to the fact that I needed to use it because I had to do a little early season mow before getting my prodiamine down. But here's the basic overview. So I went ahead, we drilled the hole. We have my washer that I JB welded to this bolt. On this side here, I have a nut with a nylon wash ring in there, and then a wing nut here, just so I don't have to use any other tools. I really like the nylon wash nut. It provides some resistance to allow a finer tune control. I tried painting it black. That didn't work. Here it is. All in all, it works. It's super cheap. It's under 10 bucks. Actually, I had enough material to make two from the one piece of steel that I bought. So there's that. You can have one for your front yard, one for your backyard. You can just have them everywhere. They're that cheap. Okay, so there you have it. A super simple build, super simple design that provides accurate and reliable height of cut measurements that will last you this season and next seasons and many, many seasons to come. So I want to say thank you to you all for tuning in. If you like this here, go ahead and hit the like button and the subscribe button. If you have any questions on this or comments or anything, just please drop those down below. And until next time, this is Real Low Dad. Have a good one.